previous class we discussed about relation and Cartesian product and relation. Okay, and in the group for the MAI student I have already sent the notes. Okay, notes of Cartesian product and relation. Have you seen the notes? MAI student, have you seen the notes which are given in the group?
Yes, ma'am.
You have seen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and in the CTIS class, I have already discussed today what is Cartesian product and what is relation. Okay, this type of things are already discussed. And now tell me, today I will repeat them. Okay, so now tell me, what do you mean by Cartesian product? Anybody, can you tell me what is the meaning of Cartesian product? How can we define Cartesian product? Hello? 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 Am I audible? Hello? Hello? Am I audible? Am I audible? Hello? Are you listening me? Hello? Hello, Sudhir, Ronit. Am I audible? Someone writing is hello.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay, then can you tell me the definition of Cartesian product?
Ma'am, two non-empty sets A and B, if
Yeah.
they are in the ordered pairs X and Y, where X is equal to A and Y is equal to B, then it is a Cartesian product of A and B.
X is not equals to A. Okay,
X
consider
belongs
that
to A,
X belongs to A and Y belongs to A.
Y
Okay?
belongs to B.
B, yeah. Suppose we consider two non-empty sets. Okay, two non-empty sets which are A and B. Then after that, if we collect all the ordered pairs of A and B, and this collection gives us the Cartesian product of A and B. Okay, so we can say that Cartesian product is also a set. Okay, suppose we multiply two numbers. Suppose 4 into 3. Okay, if we multiply two numbers, 4 in, like suppose 4 into 3, then what we get? We get 4 into 3 equals to what? 12. Yeah, 12 is a what? 12 is a number. Okay, if we multiply two numbers, then we get another number. Okay, here also, if we consider two sets, okay, suppose in set theoretical approach, see that multiplication is known as Cartesian product. Okay, suppose we consider two sets, then if we collect all the ordered pairs, I think all of you are know about ordered pairs. Suppose ordered pair means, suppose x pair means what, there are two elements. Okay, suppose this one, x comma y, like that one. This indicates the ordered pair. Okay, here suppose x is comes from the set A and y is comes from the set B. Okay, and see that if we collect all the ordered pairs, then gives it gives us what, Cartesian product of A and B. Condition is what, there is a condition, this x first element is comes from the first set and second element is comes from the second set. Okay, now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then, MAI student, is it clear now? Okay, tell me Sudhir, is it clear now? I think all it is clear. Okay, suppose and also
Yes,
see the notes. If you have any doubts, see the notes also. Okay, and
okay,
this is,
ma'am.
yeah, and see that A cross B. A cross is B is what? This is ordered pair such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. And suppose we consider A equals to 1, 2, 3 and B equals to 4, 5, then Cartesian product can be defined in this way. First, you have to take the first element of first set. So it comes as 1, comma 4, 1, comma 5. And next, after that, we'll take the element as, we'll take the second element, that is 2, 2, 4, 2, 5. Okay, and next 3, 4, 3, 5 will become. Similarly, you can find B cross A also. Okay, when we find B cross A, then you have to take the elements from B, because here first set is what, first set is B, so first element is comes from this, comes from B. So it is look like as a 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 4, 3. After that, 4 stop, we can take a 5. So it is comes as 5, 1, 5, 2 and 5, 3. And see that here from this one, see that A cross B does not equals to B cross C. Okay. So what can we say that from this one? Commutative law does not hold for Cartesian product. Okay. In the CTIS student, I have already told you that thing. Okay, see that A cross B does not equals to B cross A. This means what? Cartesian commutative law does not hold for what? Cartesian product. Commutative law does not hold for Cartesian product. Okay, and two ordered pairs, suppose x comma y and y comma p, these are equal if and only if corresponding elements are equal. Here corresponding elements means what? For this ordered pair, see that x y, first element is what? For this, if we consider the ordered pair like as x comma y, then tell me first element is what?
X.
X, and see this ordered pair, this one is u comma v, and here first element is what?
U.
U. So if we write both are equal if and only if the corresponding element of x is what? U, and corresponding element of y is what? V. If these are equal, then we say that two ordered pairs are equal. Okay. After that, we'll discuss relation and see this also. If A has P element, B has Q element, then number of elements in A cross B is what? P cross Q. Okay, remember this thing also. This is very important. If A has P element, B has Q element, then total number of elements in A cross B is what? P into Q. Okay. Here see that A has 3 elements, B has 2 elements. So how many elements are there in A cross B? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
See that A has 3 elements and B has 2 elements. Now how many elements are there in A cross B?
6.
6. This is what? 3 into 2. This will be 6. Okay? This is the formula. Okay. And next we discuss about relation. Relation is what? Relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Okay? Relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Suppose Cartesian product gives us the whole ordered pair of A and B. This is the collection of all ordered pairs. Suppose if we collect some particular ordered pairs from A and B, then this gives us the relation. So we say that relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Okay, and first element of the relation is called the domain, and second element is called the range. Here see that R equals to this one. So first element of this ordered pair is 1. So for this one is minus 2 and this one is half. So domain is what? 1 minus 2 and half. And range is what? 2, 3 and 2 and 3. Okay, and codomain second set is called the codomain. Suppose R is a relation from A to B, we write as R is a relation from A to B, then B is called the codomain. And domain means what? Those elements which are related with B. Okay, then elements of B are called the image, and elements of A are called the pre-image. Okay, now take some examples. See this one. Here I give a homework, but only one student is submitted. So this one is the previous homework. See that A equals to 2, 4, 6, 9, and B equals to this one, and such that A belongs to A and B belongs to A, and find the set of all ordered pairs such that A is a factor of B and condition is what? A less than B. Okay, find the set of all ordered pairs. So you can say that this is a relation. A relation is what? A is a factor of B. First element is a factor of the second element. Okay, this is the relation between these two elements, A and B. Okay, so we can say that this is also a relation. Okay, suppose ordered pair, if we find the ordered pair of A and B, then it will be what? First we can start from 2. Okay, so now can you tell me how many numbers in A cross B? If A has these elements, suppose 2, 4, 6, 9, and B has this element 4, 6, 18, 27, 54. Now can you tell me how many elements in A cross B?
20.
20, because A has 4 elements, B has 5 elements. So total number of elements in A cross B is what? 4 into 5, this is 20. Okay, and now we are interested to find the set such that A is a factor of B and A is less than B, and see that A is what? 2, 4, 6, 9, and B is this one. Now can you find the set of ordered pairs? Ordered pairs means what? You can take the first element from A and you have to take the second element from B. Okay. So you have to take 2. Okay. Can we write 2, 4? Is this ordered pair are in that set?
Yes, ma'am.
Because what? 2 is a factor of 4 and 2 is less than 4. Okay? We have to write those ordered pairs which satisfies this condition. A is a factor of B and A less than B. Okay? Are you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then similarly, tell me the others ordered pair. First, 2, 4 will become. After that, what element will become?
2,6.
2, 6 will become and
2,18.
2, 18. Again,
2,54.
2, 54. 2, 17, 27 will not come. Can you tell me the reason?
Ma'am, because it is not a factor of B.
Yeah, because 2 is not a factor of 27. Okay. Similarly, you can start for 4 also. Okay. When we take 4s, then ordered pairs are what?
4,4.
4,6.
4, 4 will not come only because is what? This condition is also there. A is less than B. If we write 4, 4, then what we get? A and B are equal. Is not it?
Yes, ma'am.
If we write 4, 4, then 4 is a factor of 4. It is true. But there is also another condition, which is what? A is less than 4. But if we take 4, 4, this condition is not satisfied. Okay? Because 4 is equals to 4. So we cannot take this ordered pair 4, 4. Okay? So if we choose 4, then ordered pair will be what?
4,6.
4,6.
4, 6. Is it true? 4 is a factor of 6. Is it true?
Yes, ma'am.
4 is a factor of 2.
Yes.
4 is a factor, sorry, 4, not 4 is a factor of 2. 4 is a factor of 6. Is it true?
No, ma'am.
No.
So this ordered pair will not come. 4, 6 will not come. Okay? Again, what ordered pair will become?
4,18.
4, 18. Is it true? Is it comes? 4, 18. See the condition. A is a factor of B. If we write 4, 18, then condition is what? 4 is a factor of 18. Is it true?
No, ma'am.
No. So 4, 18 will not come. Okay. Similarly, 4, 26 will not come and 4, 54 is also not come in that order pair. After that, we can start for 6. Okay. Then what ordered pair will become?
6,4.
What?
6,18.
4.
6, 18. 6, 18 will become. 6, 4 will not come because 6 is not a factor of 4. Understand? Only 6, 18 will come and also 6, 54 will become. Because 6 is a factor of 54 also. So it also come. Again for 9, What ordered pairs will come?
9,18,
9,18 again.
9,27,
9,27 after that.
9,54.
9,54 also come. But 9,6 is it comes?
No, ma'am.
No, because it
A is greater than B.
satisfies this condition, these two conditions. Okay? And see the next example. Find the domain and range of the relation. Relation is given by this one. Relation is this one. Y such that second element such that x comma 6 by x, where x comma y is natural number and condition is what? X is less than 6. Then value of x is what? Now tell me. X comma y are natural number and x is less than 6. Then value of x will be what? X and y are natural number and x is less than 6. Now tell me the value of x.
M 7,1.
X less than 6. X less than 6. Then value of x will be what?
1,7. Sorry.
1.
1,7.
Array.
2,7.
How can you say 1,7? Condition is this one. 1 will become okay. But x less than 6. Then how can we tell x equals to 7? X is strictly less than 6. So the value of x will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. After 5 we cannot take the element. Understand? X and y are natural number and natural number means what? It starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And condition is also that x less than 6. X strictly less than 6. So the value of x will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X takes that only value. 1 to 5. Understand? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because x is what? Xy belongs to n means what? Natural number. And also condition is what? X strictly less than 6. That means what? Natural number start from 1. And condition is what? X is strictly less than 6. So x takes the value from 1 to 5. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next see the second element. X is taken from 1 to 6. Okay, so see that y is what? Y is x plus 6 by x. So when see that we can start the value x equals to 1. Okay, first we take the value x equals to 1. If x equals to 1, y will be what?
7.
1 plus 6. 1 plus 6. 6 by 1. That will be what? 7. 1 plus 6. That is what? 7. 7 is also a what? Natural number. So this ordered pair will be come. 1, 7 will be come in that relation. Okay, for this relation, x and y are, this condition is what? X. For this relation, x and y are natural number and x is strictly less than 6. So, we can start the value of x from 1. Okay, so and y is what? Y is taken given like that one, x plus 6 by x. So, if we put the value of x like as 1 in this one, then we get y equals to 7, and 7 is also a natural number, so this ordered pair will be come. Next we can take the value of x is what? X equals to 2. Okay, now after we put x equals to 2, then y will be what? Y will be 2 plus 6 by 2.
5.
5, this will be 5. 5 is also a natural number, so 2 5 is also belongs to this relation. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Similarly, we put y equals to 3. Then what we get? Y, if we put x equals to 3, then y will be what? 3 plus 6 by 3, and this will be also 5. 5 is belongs to n, so this ordered pair is also belongs to R. Okay. Similarly, take x equals to 4. Then y will be what? If we put x equals to 4, then y will be what? 4 plus 6 by 4. 4 plus 6 by 4. Is it a natural number?
No, ma'am.
No. So this ordered pair will not come in R. Similarly, for 5, see that if we put x equals to 5, then this is also not in N. So this ordered pair will not come. Okay. And after 5, we cannot take the value of x because x is strictly less than 6. Okay, so we stop here. Then R is what? Only this ordered pair will become 1 7 2 5 and 3 5. Okay, then domain of this relation is what? Domain means what? This is the set of the first element. First element of this relation is what? See that. For this ordered pair, first element is what? For this ordered pair is 1, 7. First element is what?
1.
1. And for this one, first element is
2.
2. And for the last one,
3.
3. So domain is what?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. And range is what?
7 and 5.
7 and 5. Now understand. Write this problem. Write this problem as your homework. All are write that and submit in your group. Write the problem. After solving, take a photocopy. After that, submit in your group. Okay? Yesterday only one student is submitted. If a equals to -1, -1, 2, 3 and b equals to 1, 3, find a cross b and b cross a. And b cross b also and a cross a also. Write that one. Have you write?
Yes, ma'am.
And next, this one. Take this problem. Given r equals to x comma y such that xy belongs to w. W means what? A set of whole number. Whole number means what? It comes from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Such that x square plus y square equals to 25. Find the domain and range of R. If R equals to x ordered pair x y such that x y belongs to w, then w means the whole number, set of whole number such that x square plus y square equals to 25, then find the domain and range of R. Have you right? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So then first try to solve that one. After that, it may be wrong also. And try to solve. Okay? After solving, then take a photocopy so that it is submitted in the group. Okay? Then I will stop for today. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.